Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you load iPhone pics to computer. So guys, you can transfer photos from iPhone to PC by wired connection, but if you don't have that, you can just go to Safari or any browser, just like I'm going to Safari, and you can just search for snapdrop.net and search for it. And after searching for it, here you can see, if you just go to your PC and just go to snapdrop.net, you can see the PC icon here, and you need to just click on that. And by clicking on that, you need to just select the photo you need to share, and you need to share it. And by doing this, you can just share photo from iPhone to PC. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.